Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back again to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to run first aid in macOS, okay? And first aid is a way of checking the hard disks for error and fixing them automatically. But before we dive into the video, if you are new to the channel, I welcome you. And please don't forget to support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button, liking the video, and turning on the bell notification for more tech tips. I really appreciate your support. Now let's get started. So to run first aid, let me open my virtual machine which has the macOS installed, okay? So I've already launched the virtual machine, so let me quickly open it and then I'll show you. So let me enlarge or maximize it. Okay, so to run first aid, we are going to use the disk utility, okay? You can open the disk utility on the docs. The docs is like the taskbar in Windows, okay, which contains applications. So you can open it on the docs, okay? Or you can click on Go. Then you click on utilities. Then you double click on disk utilities. So we are going to check the hard disks of macOS for errors. Then we fix them automatically, okay? So this is the hard disk I have, which is 42.74 gigabytes. So to check for the first aid or to run the check disk on the hard disk for macOS, this is the utility we are going to use, okay? First aid. So this is my hard disk. I've named it macOS Ventura. So I'll right click on the hard disk, and then I'll click on Run First Aid. So you see, First Aid will check the volume for errors. It will then repair the volume if necessary. So if it find any errors on the hard disk or the volume, it will start to repair them automatically, okay? So we are going to click on the Run to initiate the First Aid. So in Windows, it's called Check Disk, okay? So let me click on the Run. And then it says verifying the startup volume will cause this computer to stop responding. This may last for several minutes or hours. To avoid this, you can run first aid whilst in recovery mode, okay? So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to continue and then we see what happens, okay? So I'll click on continue. And then you see we've started the process. So it's checking the hard disk for errors, and if it finds any error, it will fix them automatically, okay? So depending on the capacity of your hard disk, it might take time. Okay, in my case, I have only 42.74 gigabytes, which is, I think, is not all that big. Okay. So it's checking the disk for errors. Okay. So you see, first aid process is complete. Click done to continue. So now we are done with the checking. Okay. So this is the details. Verifying allocated space. Okay, let me scroll up and you see the details. Okay. Verifying the startup volume will cause, okay, as I said earlier. So it verifies the system volume, like it checks all these system volumes, okay? It checks all the system volumes. So the operation is successful. So I'll click on done. So this is how to check your disk in macOS, and it's called First Aid. So this brings us to the end of the tutorial. Please, if you find value in this video, don't forget to support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button, liking the video, and turning on the bell notification for more tech tips. I really appreciate your support. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.